Hi, my beautiful people. Guys, let's get into something good today. We're talking about the little things. The small, almost accidental things you do that absolutely drive her crazy. And here's the best part. You probably don't even realize you're doing them. You're just being you, existing, living your life. And she's over there trying to play it cool while her brain is short-circuiting and her heart is doing that little flutter thing she pretends doesn't happen. Ladies, don't be mad at me for exposing you. You know I'm right. You've been telling your girlfriends about these moments. You've been replaying them in your head later. You've been hoping he does them again. Guys, pay attention. This is your cheat sheet. Here are 7 little things that turn her on without you even realizing. Thing 1. The casual arm reach in the car. Let's start with a classic. You're driving. She's in the passenger seat. Music is playing. You're just going about your business, focused on the road. Then, without thinking, without planning, without any dramatic intention, you reach over and rest your hand on her leg. Just there. Warm, heavy, present. Or you put your arm behind her headrest, casually grazing her shoulders. You're not trying to be smooth. You're not making a move. You're just driving. But to her, that casual, confident, almost absent-minded reach is everything. It says, "You're mine and I don't need to announce it. I don't need to make a big deal about it. I just put my hand here because I can. Because you're mine." It's not a grab. It's not aggressive. It's just there. And that casual ownership, that quiet, unspoken confidence, she feels it in her whole body. She might not say anything. She might pretend to keep looking out the window, but inside, she's melting. She'll never tell you how much she loves this, but she does. Trust me. Thing 2. The low, focused voice when you're explaining something. You're talking about something you actually know about, something you're passionate about. Maybe it's your job. Maybe it's a hobby. Maybe it's just a random topic you've researched way too much. Your voice drops slightly. It gets lower, slower, more deliberate, more confident. You're not trying to be sexy. You're not doing a voice. You're just focused. You're in your element. And she's over there trying to listen to the words while her brain is completely stuck on the sound of your voice. That low, steady, confident tone, it's like auditory honey. It makes her want to lean in closer. It makes her want to hear more. You could be explaining how to change a tire, how to fix a sink, or the history of something boring, and she'd be hooked. Because it's not about the topic. It's about you. It's about the confidence. It's about the ease. Don't believe me? Ladies, back me up in the comments right now. Thing 3. The way you smell right after a shower. Here's a secret that will change your life. She doesn't want you drenched in cologne. She doesn't want you smelling like a department store perfume counter. She wants you clean. She wants that fresh soap, warm skin, just stepped out of the water smell. It's primal. It's natural. It's you, but better. It's the scent of freshness, of hygiene, of someone who takes care of themselves. When you come out of the shower and you're just standing there, hair still a little wet, skin still warm, smelling like nothing but clean soap and warm water, she notices. She inhales a little deeper when you're close. She might lean into your chest just to get more of it. Thing 4. The forehead kiss. No, really. This one sounds almost too sweet, almost too gentle, but stick with me. There's something about a forehead kiss that hits completely different than any other kiss. It's not about passion. It's not about heat. It's about tenderness. It's about protection. It's about reverence. It says, "I care about you. I want to take care of you. You're safe with me. I see you." And that turns her on in a way that a regular kiss doesn't. Because attraction isn't just physical. It's emotional. It's psychological. It's about how you make her feel. And when you show her that soft, protective, gentle side, her whole body relaxes into you. She feels chosen. She feels cherished. She feels like she's someone special to you. And feeling cherished makes her want you more. Feeling safe makes her want to be closer. Try it tonight. Just once. When you're saying goodbye, or when she's had a rough day. Just lean in, kiss her forehead, and pull back. Watch her face. See what happens. Thing 5. The unintentional flex, reaching for something high. You're at the grocery store. She needs something on the top shelf. You reach up to grab it. Your shirt lifts just a tiny bit. Your arm stretches. Your back muscles do that thing where they shift and tighten. You might even stand on your tiptoes for a second. And you're just getting the pasta sauce, or the cereal, or a bag of chips. You're not thinking about it at all. You're not flexing. You're not showing off. She's thinking about it. She's definitely thinking about it. That moment of physicality, of strength, of casual, unconscious capability. It's a reminder that you're strong, that you can reach things she can't, that you're capable, that you're, well, a man. It's not about being a bodybuilder with huge muscles. It's about being present in your body, about moving through the world with ease and confidence. And that unconscious, unintentional display of strength, it works every single time. She might not say anything, but she noticed. Thing 6. The way you listen. Actually listen. Here's the one that surprises guys the most.
She's talking about something.
Maybe it's a long story about her friend. Maybe it's a problem at work she's trying to figure out. Maybe it's just her random thoughts about something she saw on social, and she notices. She notices everything. That focused attention, that ability to make her feel like she's the only person in the room, it's rare. It's so rare. And rarity creates attraction. She's not just turned on by your body or your looks. She's turned on by your presence, by your attention, by the way you make her feel seen and heard and valued. That's the kind of attraction that lasts. That's the kind of attraction that makes her think about you when you're not around. Thing 7. The I've got this energy, practical edition. Something goes wrong. Plans change at the last minute. There's an unexpected problem. The restaurant is closed. It's raining, and you didn't bring an umbrella. The reservation got lost.
And you don't panic.
You don't complain. You don't freeze up and look at her for answers. You don't get angry at the waiter or the weather or the universe.
You just handle it. Calmly, confidently, casually.
Like it's no big deal. You find a solution. You make a decision. You take the lead. This energy, it's addictive. It makes her feel safe. It makes her feel like she can relax, like she can let her guard down because you've got everything under control. And when a woman feels safe, she feels connected. And when she feels connected, she wants to be close to you. She wants to be yours. That calm, capable, I've got this energy is one of the most attractive things in the world. And you probably don't even realize you're doing it. Now here's a bonus practical touch. The small of her back. You're walking through a crowded place. A busy restaurant. A concert. A party. Your hand gently rests on the small of her back as you guide her through the crowd. Not low. Not grabbing. Just there. Guiding and protecting. This touch is confident, respectful, and incredibly attractive. It says, I'm here. I'm with you. I'll make sure you don't get lost. It's not crossing any lines. It's just present. Try it next time you're in a crowd. Watch how she leans into you just a little bit more. Now here's the thing, guys. You're already doing some of these. The arm in the car. The post-shower smell. The reaching for something high flex. The calm problem solving. So, here's your challenge. This week, notice when you do these things. Notice her reaction. Does she get a little quieter? Does she move a little closer? Does she look at you with those eyes? She's not imagining things. She's responding to you. And now you know why. Ladies, I know you're in the comments right now. Don't pretend this is inaccurate. Don't pretend you haven't noticed these things. What's one little thing he does that drives you absolutely crazy without him even realizing it? Spill the tea. The guys need to know. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Which of these have you caught yourself doing? And did you notice her reaction? Share your stories in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe because here at psysigns we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.